All right, so um, done with the trading day for now. Um, Kind of disappointing in the loss I took today. Not because it was a bad loss, um, more so the fact that I dragged my stop and I ended up taking a bigger loss than I had to. Um, but I'll run you through why I even took this trade. So here we are on the higher time frame. On the 1 hour, we've been expanding. We had this large expansion overnight, as you can see, bro. I think it was due to tariffs. Um, and then we had this SMT right here coming down into this 1 hour for value gap and 15-minute. So of course, obviously, I was still more bearish because we've had this big expansion to the downside, but we didn't tap this 15-minute for value gap yet. Yeah, okay. So yeah, coming into this, I was seeing that during the macro we were starting to reverse, and I was gonna take nothing. But then when we came down to OTE, I started seeing that we were rejecting this level. If you take this Fibonacci, right between 0.62 and 0.79, we kept respecting, and we had an expansion to the upside. I was like, okay, I'm gonna take a little short here to at least this high right here and go break even, and maybe target these highs if we're able to expand through. But I got greedy once we started to come up and we were showing signs we went higher. I entered right here, only risking 300, stop at these lows. And we came up here, we had an SMT with ES, which is where I should have went break even, but I got greedy. I was like, nah, I'm not going to break even here. We're probably going to come back down, tap this for value gap and go higher, but we didn't, and we continue going lower, right? And then once we came down, of course, we started dumping. Price started to come up towards my stop loss, and I was like, okay, I've seen this happen 1,000 times. We're gonna sweep and then cause SMT and then actually go to the upside. I dragged my stop here and took a $500 loss instead of a $300 loss, which would have been here. And if you really think about it, it was dumb. Why? Because even if we did sweep here and then we started rejecting to the upside again, you could just re-enter and not have to worry about taking a risk taking a loss, right? Like, you can always re-enter. So that's again stupid of me to do that, because you always can re-enter the trade again. So that's just pretty dumb. And now you have this move to the upside. I can't participate in. Why? Because I already took my max loss for the day. So again, bad. And yeah, that's the basis of it. Hit OTE, CISD was respecting it. I got greedy. Price ended up coming down one more time, and I knew this wasn't the overall move because we didn't have enough market structure built to validate it. So I should have just went break even, but I didn't think we would not tap the. I don't think we wouldn't tap the 15-minute gap. So yeah, that kind of surprised me. And then I got stopped out. So disappointing, bro. I'm only disappointed in the fact that I didn't move my stop to break even after the SMT was made, right? Like right here, should have moved stop to break even. Fix this. But yeah, I guess it's a learning lesson. You just got to journal. I never really had this problem before. It's just because I think I've been on a losing streak, so it starts messing with your head. But that's actually a sign to de-risk. So I need to just be de-risking, playing it safe, especially in these conditions. If my edge is not playing out how I need it to, then you shouldn't be dragging your stop, bro. That's just fucking retarded. But yeah, that's about it. You guys take it easy. Good luck on the charts. And I'll be back with another recap. Thank you for watching.